Looking at this circle theorem, I bet you can provide answer to this in a minute if you have the theorems at your fingertips. We are having a diagram shows a triangle MNP inscribed in a circle. Then the MN is a tangent to the circle as M. We are finding the angle MPN. MPN, this very angle. Alright, now looking at this directly, if you look at the tangent and the chord, the angle produced here will be equals to the angle here by the alternate segment approach. So directly, we can only say that the angle MNP will be equals to 73 degrees, which is alternate segment property, meaning angle formed between a chord and a tangent is what equals to the angle in the alternate segment or the opposite segment. Now if that is true, then 1, 2, 3 are the interior angles of the triangle. Hence, adding all of them together give rise to 180. So I can say that the angle I am asked to find, the MPN plus the angle I just found, MNP plus the known angle 58 to give us what? 180, which is what? Sum of interior angles of what? A triangle. Don't forget, we already know what this angle is. So we maintain the angle MPN plus 73 degrees plus 58 degrees, giving rise to what? 180. So now we are adding these two, 30 from here, that will be 100, okay, 131. Therefore, the angle MPN will be equal to 180 minus 131 degree. 40, so we have 49 degree, and that is going to be the option right here as what? Option A. I bet you are able to find this in a minute, if not with all this conversation attached to it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.